Hi, in this video, let me show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues in case you're having some with your HP Deskjet 4252e. So before doing anything complicated, what I suggest is that you go on the back of your printer and you're going to pull this power cable out. Wait around 1 minute and then plug it back in the printer. Turn the printer on, and usually this will fix many software issues. If this first method didn't help you, let's jump to method number 2, which is to reset the Wi-Fi. You're going to take two fingers, you're going to press with one finger on the X and with the other finger on this Wi-Fi button. Press until you see this power button blinking. Okay, it blinked. I can release these buttons, and afterwards the Wi-Fi button will blink blue and it will mean that it's in pairing mode. So you can connect your printer back to your Wi-Fi network. If nothing worked, I suggest you do a full factory reset, and for this we'll need the HP app. I will demonstrate how I did it using my phone, but if you have the HP app on your desktop computer or laptop, it's the same thing. So on the app, I have tapped on my printer, and now if I go down, here you're gonna have, let me go a bit lower here, printer settings, view all. Then what we need to do is to press on advanced settings, show details, visit website. Press on settings, restore defaults, restore factory defaults. Then we have to type the PIN code right over here. Let me just tap. And the PIN code of the app, you need to open this door where the cartridges are located. That's where you're going to find the PIN code. This is mine, so don't type this number. Go on your printer and find out which one is yours. So I'll go ahead and copy this. In my case, it's 1376021, and I'll press the submit button. And here I will select restore factory defaults and yes. At this point, you just have to wait. Here we go. You see, after a few seconds, it gave me the green check mark saying that the factory defaults has been resetted, and now I can close this. And on my printer itself, the screen went blank. There's nothing on it. I'll wait a few seconds. It's resetting the system. And after around 30 seconds, you're going to see the Wi-Fi button blinking blue, which means that the printer is currently in pairing mode, ready to be set up once again. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.